Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the issue that when you click on the voiceover record icon in Adobe Premiere Pro, the recording starts from the beginning, middle or any other point on the timeline. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Azam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that as I clicked on the voiceover record button, the recording starts from the beginning. In your case, it might start from the middle or from any other point. So to fix this, what you have to do is hover the mouse above the yellow line in the gray area. And then what you have to do is right click and then click on clear in and out. Now viewers, if I click on the voiceover record button again, you will see that the recording will start from the point where the playhead was. Now I will stop it.
Viewers, hope you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.